In Tracy, California, at 12:09 a.m., this guy came to the house with a request you definitely don't hear every day. Let's see what he's up to.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello?
Who is it?
Are you doing a massage?
What?
Are you doing a massage?
Shut up.
I didn't say shut up. Ma'am,
Yeah.
are you offering a massage?
What?
Are you offering a massage?
No.
No? Okay, I'm sorry. Hello? Hello? If you say no, just say no.
Livermore, California. This lady shows up at night and flashes something on her phone, but it's too unclear to figure out. What do you guys think she's up to? Drop a comment below. Chandler, Arizona. Check out this couple.
你看对呢？你错了，怎么又没有呢？
有啊，那旁边不是361啊？
啊，就写是321啊，
是不是？
321啊。
那对。
Looks like they're at the wrong house. Awkward. Tracy, California. This doorbell clip is a must-see. Amazon delivered the package at 3:28 p.m., and just 8 minutes later, at 3:36 p.m., it was stolen. It's like these thieves are following the Amazon truck, snatching packages left and right. Amazon needs to know about this. Ever had something stolen this fast? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
What up, Nick? I'm back.
Glendale, Arizona. Watch these guys in action. One of them climbs over the wall, unlocks the door from the inside, and lets the whole crew in to break into the house.
What?
I said God.
If my sister turns around, you can really see her. Ah. Oh my fucking gosh, I meant me, not her.
Isaiah?
Is there a fucking lock on it?
Yeah, now I see the way she was thinking.
Crazy how fast they move.
Come on, Jesse's car is in our driveway.
Ooh.
Jesse's
Oh,
car.
I thought you meant... I'm not too used to this water to help you drive.
Bro.
Colorado Springs, Colorado. Check out this guy just staring at the house at 1:44 a.m. It's kind of creepy, right? Colorado Springs, Colorado. Check her out.
And she don't have a big light. She's got an overnight desk. Yeah, there's something I'll tell you what. She doesn't know how intelligent and hungry and thirsty.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Are you serious? I ran across the land of America, and you're telling me I am not welcome here? That this is not the trail to free them, and that the God I worship so good is not your waymaker. He only makes ways when he wants to. Oh yeah, you need to mention that too, that I don't have, and I never will. Make sure, if you can't open this door, I'm going to throw something through this window, and that might you get this door open. Now.
Phoenix, Arizona. Can't even leave your shoes outside anymore. Someone decided to help themselves to a new pair. Glendale, Arizona. This one's hilarious. Somehow, a bird managed to ring the doorbell, and when the homeowner came out to see who was there, surprise, no one. Watch her reaction, it's priceless.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Did somebody just ring the doorbell? What the heck? Who just rang the doorbell?
Colorado Springs, Colorado. I really appreciate you being here. If you enjoy my videos, please give them a like. It helps me a lot to keep making more. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Colorado Springs, Colorado. Meanwhile, this couple is still hanging around trying to figure out how to open the door.
我没做这个。
Hey lady, wrong house. Time to move along.
哎，打不开。
不是的。
不是的。
Colorado Springs, Colorado. These late night creeps are at it again, checking doorknobs. Keep those doors locked, folks. Better safe than sorry. Colorado Springs, Colorado. A new scam alert. Two DoorDash drivers show up. One drops off the food, and the other snaps a pic before swiping it. Keep an eye on your deliveries, folks. These sneaky moves are getting out of hand. Fremont, California, another shoe thief in action. Concord, California, check this guy out.
Welcome to Bank of America. This call may be recorded. To get started, please enter the last four digits of either your ATM debit.
Fremont, California. Not even a lemon is safe. This lady climbs up a tree to snag some fruit. Meanwhile, this dude's been standing outside for a while.
Can I help you?
Let's find out what kind of wild request he's got for the homeowner.
Please give me a ride. I got lost.
Nope.
I'm
Nope.
starving, please.
I don't care. Get out of here.
Oh.
Oakland, California, another doorknob wiggler. Phoenix, Arizona. Concord, California. Livermore, California. Check her out.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to say hi to you. Yeah. Yeah. Amber Mordell, this guy was been all day. Nobody home? What's going on? What's going on? I want to talk to you about God's kingdom. Do you know about God's kingdom? Do you know about God's kingdom? I mean, really? Well, I mean, what is it? What is it? Really, what is it? What is it? What is it? I mean, what's going on? What's going on? Nobody got mail? What's going on? What's going on? Nobody home? What? I know. What's nobody home? Nobody home? What's going on? What's going on? Nobody's going on. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Nobody's home? What? What's going on? 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 Really? What's going on? I don't know.
Phoenix, Arizona. What on earth is this in the sky? UFO, drone, or just some strange weather phenomenon? Let us know what you think in the comments. Alameda, California. A kid's decoration got stolen. What a shame. Oakland, California. Check out this adorable family of raccoons. Fremont, California. Check out this dude washing his bike at someone else's house. Wasting water for no reason? Someone needs to remind him that water is precious. Meanwhile, this shoe thief is still on the hunt for the perfect pair. If you want to keep the fun going, click on these videos to watch more wild episodes like this. Trust me, you won't regret it.